Hey guys, I wanted to walk you through a project here. What I'm doing is I used to have all of my garage comments under a single section in exteriors, and it was exteriors and garages, it used to be called. And I kind of wanted to make garages their own chapter. And this has a few advantages. One is that sometimes places have more than one garage, and so then I can copy that chapter. And it just kind of makes each chapter a little bit shorter for me. So I just like that. It works a little bit better on the mobile app. So wanted to do it. So easy peasy. I made a new chapter and I made three new sections and built comments. So the one drawback at the moment is all of these are sharing a single narrative library. So if I'm in Garage General, I might end up seeing narrative comments about the garage floor. So not the end of the world, but I'd kind of like to make it more specific. I'd like to make my library a little closer to each one of these sections. And so rather than they all share the same library, each section has its own specific library of narratives. We have the tools to do that in Scribeware now, so this is pretty cool. So we're going to open up the library tab, and the thing that we have added here is this idea of library category. And we have done this because people could be moving over from other systems, bringing over their library, and it's complicated because every inspector has different sections, and so it's complicated to try to point a group of narratives to a section when everybody's using different ones. So we had the idea that we should make library categories. And, well, I don't know, everybody's got garage comments, so you could put all your garage comments in one thing. Or you could be more granular and you could break your garage comments down into different categories. So if we go to G here and garage, there we are. So you can see that I had basically garage doors and openers was sort of my old catch-all, and it's got 129 entries in it. I've already put one in my garage floor, but what I want you to do is show you how I can go through all these and I can start putting comments in these other two garage sections. So we'll click on the entries here. So here's one, keypad reprogram. That's more of an automatic opener thing. So let's edit in library. This is library categories. Well, I don't want it in openers. I want it in garage door. Oh, I do want it in openers. So we'll leave it there, garage door openers. So we don't have to move that one. That's already right where we want it. So let me find a good one. Let's find one on a slab, and we'll move that to the garage floor. Like probably cracks and slab. Here we go. So here's slab cracks. So we will edit in library. And this is under garage doors and openers, and I don't want it there. I want this under garage floor. I used to have it say garage slab, and then I did a garage that had a wood floor. So I realized I can't call that section garage slab. So now I'm going to update the existing library. If I wanted it in both libraries, I could add it as a new library entry, and then it would show up in both of those library categories. So I will update. So I'm moving it now from one. So here's another slab comment, and I want to move this one over. So we will edit in library. And I'm going to move it from openers to garage floor. Update existing library entry. See how they're moving out of here now, and they're getting into, because I'm searching through garage doors and openers category, so I'm moving them from this category to another. So we will edit in library, and we'll switch over to garage floor. Update. Cool. So we could look for some other slab things here. Anyway, you get the idea. We can go through and start culling out our library and making it more granular. What's really cool about the way this works with library categories is that you could point more than one of these to a single section. I can show you how you do that here in just a second. Let's see, there we are, garage floors. So you can see now I have 4 entries under garage floors because we just added those 3. If I wanted to, at a future date, have a single garage section, I could actually go through and connect all of those. So let me show you how you do that. You can even merge them. I could merge all 3 of those into a single, just call it garage. Or what we can do is this. Let's say we go into the report and we just want this to catch everything. So we're going to edit the section, edit library category. Well, I have garage doors and openers already, but I want to put all of my garage things in here. So we've got garage general and garage floor, so I can click these, and then when I update the library category, all 3 of these categories of narratives will point towards that one section. So this is really brilliant on our designer's part. Steve had this idea and just allows you to manage your library. You could make it as granular as you want to, and then point multiple things to different places. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.